Applications of biotechnology. Industrial biotechnology, white biotechnology. Use of living cells, enzymes, and biological systems for industrial manufacturing processes to produce chemicals, materials, and energy sustainably. Applications. Area. Application. Description/example. Enzyme production. Industrial enzymes like amylase, protease, lipase, cellulase. Use in detergents, textile, brewing, and food industries. Fermentation technology. Large-scale production of ethanol, citric acid, lactic acid. Using Saccharomyces cerevisiae or Aspergillus niger. Bioplastics. Production of polyhydroxyethanoates, FA, and PLA. Biodegradable alternatives to petroleum plastics. Biofuels. Ethanol, biogas, biodiesel from biomass. Clostridium, methanogens used in biogas plants. Pharmaceuticals. Microbial synthesis of vitamins, antibiotics, amino acids. Penicillin, vitamin B12, glutamic acid. Bioprocessing and bioreactors. Large-scale controlled cultivation. For enzymes, vaccines, recombinant products. Key concept, using biological systems to replace chemical industry processes. Medical biotechnology, red biotechnology. Application of biotechnology in medicine and healthcare, including diagnostics, therapeutics, and drug design. Applications. Area. Application. Description/example. Recombinant DNA technology. Production of human insulin, growth hormone, interferons. E. coli engineered with human genes. Vaccines. DNA, mRNA, subunit, vector-based vaccines. COVID-19 mRNA vaccines, Pfizer, Moderna. Gene therapy. Replacing or repairing defective genes. AAV and CRISPR-Cas9 based therapies. Monoclonal antibodies, MABs. Target-specific antibodies for therapy. Use in cancer, trastuzumab, arthritis, adalimumab. Stem cell therapy. Regeneration of damaged tissues. Use in leukemia, spinal injuries. Diagnostics, molecular and genetic tests. PCR, ELISA, DNA chips for disease detection. HIV, COVID-19, genetic disorders. Pharmacogenomics. Personalized medicine based on genetic makeup. Tailored drug therapy. CRISPR applications. Gene editing for diseases. Sickle cell anemia, muscular dystrophy. Key concept, biotechnology for disease prevention, diagnosis, and therapy. Agricultural biotechnology, green biotechnology. Use of biotechnology to improve crop productivity, quality, and sustainability. Applications. Area. Application. Description/example. Genetically modified crops, GMOs. Insertion of beneficial genes. BT cotton, golden rice, flavor tomato. Biofertilizers. Use of nitrogen-fixing and phosphate-solubilizing microbes. Rhizobium, Azospirillum, Azotobacter. Biopesticides. Microbial control of pests. Bacillus thuringiensis, BT toxin. Tissue culture/micropropagation. Rapid, disease-free plant cloning. Banana, orchid, sugarcane. Marker-assisted breeding, MAB. Use of molecular markers for trait selection. Drought or pest-resistant crops. Transgenic animals. Livestock with enhanced productivity. Transgenic goats producing human proteins in milk. Biofortification. Nutrient enrichment through genetic modification. Iron-rich rice, vitamin A-rich crops. Key concept, manipulating genes and microbes for sustainable agriculture and food security. Environmental biotechnology, gray biotechnology. Application of biotechnology to protect and restore the environment through biological means. Applications. Area. Application. Description/example. Bioremediation. Use of microbes to clean pollutants. Pseudomonas putida for oil spills, Alkaniborax for hydrocarbons. Biolayacking. Extraction of metals using microbes. Thiobacillus ferroxidans for copper/gold recovery. Biosorption. Removal of heavy metals using biomass. Spirulina and Aspergillus niger used for metal absorption. Biofiltration and bioscrubbers. Waste gas and wastewater treatment. Activated sludge process. Bioventing and biosparging. Aeration of contaminated soil/groundwater. Hydrocarbon degradation. Bioindicators and biosensors. Detection of pollutants. Algae-based sensors for toxicity detection. Key concept, using living organisms to restore ecological balance. Marine biotechnology, blue biotechnology. Utilization of marine organisms and bioresources for biotechnological applications. Applications. Area. Application. Description/example. Marine pharmaceuticals. Drugs from marine organisms. Ziconotide, cone snail toxin, for pain relief. Enzyme production. Salt-tolerant, cold-active enzymes. Halophilic bacteria and psychrophiles. Bioactive compounds. Anti-cancer, antiviral, antioxidant molecules. From sponges, algae, corals. Aquaculture biotechnology. Genetic improvement of fish. Transgenic salmon for faster growth. Marine biofuels. Algae-based biodiesel and hydrogen production. Chlorella, nanochloropsis. Marine biomaterials. Chitin, chitosan from shellfish waste. Used in cosmetics and wound healing. Key concept, oceanic biodiversity as a vast source for biotechnology innovations. Forensic biotechnology. Use of biotechnological tools in criminal investigation, paternity testing, and identification. Applications. Area. Application. Description/example. DNA fingerprinting. Identifying individuals using DNA. Used in forensic cases and ancestry testing. PCR-based identification. Amplifying DNA from small samples. Used in crime scene analysis. Paternity and maternity testing. Determining biological relationships. STR, short tandem repeat, analysis. Biocrime detection. Identifying bioterror agents. Bacillus anthracis, anthrax, Yersinia pestis. Biometric security systems. DNA-based or molecular ID verification. Future security systems. Key concept, DNA as a unique biological identity tool. Food and dairy biotechnology. Area. Application. Description/example. Fermented foods. Yogurt, cheese, pickles, wine. Microbial fermentation, Lactobacillus, Saccharomyces. Food preservation. Biopreservatives and antimicrobial peptides. Niacin from Lactococcus lactis. Food safety testing. Biosensors to detect contaminants. Pathogen detection kits. Nutraceuticals. Probiotics, functional foods. Fortified milk, omega-rich foods. Flavor and aroma production. Microbial synthesis of esters, alcohols. Zymomatus mobilis, Aspergillus species. Informational biotechnology, bioinformatics and computational biology. Area. Application. Description/example. Genome analysis. Sequencing and annotating genes. Human Genome Project. Drug discovery. Virtual screening and docking. AI-based molecular modeling. Protein structure prediction. Folding and function analysis. AlphaFold, Rosetta. Systems biology. Modeling biological pathways. Pathway simulation for metabolic networks. Database development. Storing and analyzing biological data. NCBI, EMBL, UniProt.